So next instrument we are taking up is called preference share. So first we have seen debentures. Now we are going into preference shares. Okay, preference share also has been divided into two aspects: redeemable and irredeemable preference shares. So the formula is preference share is equal to dividend divided by NP into 100. For debentures, we are taking interest. For preference share, it is called dividend. So the preference share also will be issued at premium and at discounts. So what is the formula for finding out the net proceeds? So NP premium is equal to face value plus premium subtract cost of issue. So if you are issuing for discount, NP discount is equal to face value subtract discount subtract cost of issue. Okay, let's find out an example. The company has issued 10,000 10% preference share with of 100 each. That means the company has issued 10,000 units of share, 10% dividend of face value or rupees 100. So what will be the total amount? 10,000 into 100 is equal to 10 lakhs. So normally the company issues directly this 10 lakhs, or in calculation they will give this information like that. The company has issued 10,000 units of share with a 10% dividend of face value of 100. So 100 into 10,000 you get 10 lakh rupees. Okay, and if you want to find out the dividend is equal to 10 lakhs into 10% equal to 1 lakh. So your dividend is 1 lakh. So in this calculation they have issued, in the calculation they have said that the cost of issue is 2%. So normally whenever you're talking about issue, normally the full rate will be given, otherwise they will say 2%. 2% from this value. So cost of issue equal to 10 lakhs into 2 by 100 is equal to 20,000. So already we know the information already given. So let's find a solution. What is the cost for the preference share? P is equal to dividend is 1 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100 equal to. But is this correct method? No. Why? Because the cost of issue has been given. So this is not the formula. You have to find out net proceeds. Net proceeds is 10 lakhs subtract 20,000 equal to 9,80,000. So now apply the formula. Equal to 1 lakh divided by 9,80,000 into 100 equal to 10.2%. The same thing if you are going to apply for premium. If you are going to apply for premium, and same thing applies for discount also. So let's take 10% premium. So what is the information given is 10 lakh rupees. For 10 lakh rupees, 10% premium will be 1 lakh rupees. So net proceeds of preference share is equal to 10 lakhs plus 1 lakh subtract 20,000 equal to 10 lakh 80,000. So apply the formula 1 lakh, that is the dividend, divided by 10 lakh 80,000 into 100 equal to, the answer is 9.26%. Your cost of capital is 9.26%. If you go for discount, again the discount is 10%. 10% of 10 lakh is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so net proceeds equal to 10 lakhs subtract 1 lakh subtract 20,000, so equal to, it is 8 lakh 80,000. So apply the formula 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh 80,000 into 100 equal to 10.75%. See how the cost has increased because of the discount. Thank you.